Hi guys, and welcome to my MacBook Air refurbished unboxing. Let's peel the box off. I chose to go with the MacBook Air M1 with 16 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. I thought that this model is more suited for me because I like to multitask a lot, and that's why I decided to upgrade the 16 gigs of RAM. As for the SSD, I just decided to buy an external one because the upgrade would have costed a lot. Let's peel the MacBook off. And here we have the instructions manual, where we actually find two black speakers. That's really nice of them. And here we have a 30 watts power adapter that we'll peel off right now. And here we come to the last product, the cable. It's a USB-C to USB-C cable. And here it is, the MacBook itself. Thanks a lot for watching, and see you in the next one.